Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add image to a video in CapCut to your mobile. Now, to add an image in between the video, go to the middle of the two videos and click the plus button. Then, select the image that you want to use and click on the add button. And as you can see, the picture is now already in between the videos. Now, if you want to add the pictures above the video, click on the overlay and click on add overlay and choose the picture that you want to use. And click on add. And as you can see, it's now been already added to our video. You can adjust it and resize it to whatever you want. And that's how we add an image to a video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.